Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday morning, February 14th, Valentine's Day. What are you doing for your Valentine today? I'll get to what I'm doing in a minute or two. Last night, originally had scheduled a veggie fried rice, but I decided to switch it up a little bit and do a veggie palau, which is an East Indian fried rice. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Yes, it's really good. All the changes I did will be in the notes when I post this up in the group. So have fun with it. That's what's beautiful about fried rice, is you can just have fun with it, like I did. Tonight, for my Valentine, I'm doing a red wine braised short ribs, Bombay potatoes, and sautéed asparagus and mushrooms. Let's take a look. Got some hardware, a couple Dutch ovens, saute pan, and we got some short ribs. Oh, these are wonderful looking short ribs. With this, we'll have some garlic, onion, carrot, some beef stock. Of course, you got to have red wine for red wine braised short ribs. A little bit of thyme, kosher salt, black pepper, some flour, some tomato paste, a little bit of sugar, and a bay leaf. That's what's going on there. And for the Bombay potatoes, of course, you got to have potatoes. Well, I'll do a diced up jalapeno and I'll do a tomato or two. I'm going to the store later. This is where the fun part. We got cumin powder, coriander, a little bit of chili powder, turmeric, my garam masala that I blend, some mustard seed, some cumin seed, and ginger, and a little bit of lemon juice. Next up, the asparagus and mushrooms. So we got asparagus, some baby bella mushrooms, a little bit of soy sauce, some butter, and some little bit of olive oil. There will be garlic in this. It's, of course, way down there with the short ribs, and some salt and pepper. Real simple. So, the Casual Chef website is now fully operational. You can shop, you can purchase my urban spice blends are now available online. Of course, you can order my cookbooks. Both recipes are just guidelines and Soup Symphony. Just follow the link. So, on this Valentine's Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.